Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your UFC Fight Pass subscription quickly and easily. Start by opening your preferred web browser and go to ufcfightpass.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your login details to access your account. Once logged in, locate the person icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Next, go to the subscriptions tab where you'll see your current subscription details. To cancel, click on the cancel subscription button. Next, a confirmation box will appear asking you to verify your choice. Just click yes, cancel subscription to complete the process. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, so you can still access content until then. You can resume your UFC Fight Pass at any time by updating your payment details if needed. And that's it.